Your question is solve system of linear equation using matrix. So here they have given three equations: x minus y plus z is equal to 4, 2x plus y minus 3z is equal to 0, x plus y plus z is equal to 2. So here we have formulas. What are that? So first is your A into B. A into x is equal to B. So we can say like this. Or we can rewrite it as x is equal to A inverse of B. So we will take out this into. So A into x is equal to B. X is equal to A inverse of B. That means full this system we have to make it into A, B and x. So first we will write that only. A is nothing but what? Only the coefficients of x, y and z. So we can say A is equal to 1, minus 1 and 1, 2, 1 and minus 3. Next is 1, 1 and 1. So this is your A. Here we will write the position or the value of A inverse. We know that. So it is nothing but what? X is equal to adjoint A by determinant of A into B. So this is your A. Next we will write x. So therefore here we will write that x. What is the x? X is nothing but what? Variables. So we can say x is equal to x, y and z. This is your x. What is your b? B is your right side value. So it will be 402. So this is your A, x and B. So here we have given x. So here we will write that value x, y and z. That is equal to, now, so here adjoint A and determinant A is there. So first we have to find out determinant of A. Then only we will know that A inverse exists or not. So first we will write the determinant of A. That is equal to 1. So it will be 1 plus 3. Next is minus 1. Position is also minus. So it will be plus 1. So it will be 2 plus 3. And next is plus 1. So what it will be? 2 minus 1. So if you solve this, we will get 4 plus 5 plus 1. That is equal to 10. Which is not equal to 0. That means inverse exists. So here this 10 we will write here 1 by 10. Next we have to go for adjoint A. For adjoint A, we have to set and think about the position, whether the position is in positive or in negative. So here directly we can write, so this position, first position is positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, positive, negative, negative, positive. If you write like this, it's very easy for you to understand. And we will not write the transpose. In transpose, what we are doing to change into adjoint, just we are changing to interchange the rows to column and columns to row. So directly we can write here. How? So first position is 1. So that means it will be 1 and plus 3 is 4. So here we will write 4. Position is positive only, 4. Next is this position. So that is negative. We will see afterwards. So that means it will be 2 and plus 3 is 5. And sign is minus. So minus 5. So minus 5, instead of writing here, we will write here. We are just interchanging rows to column and column to row. Next comes this. Position is plus. So this is 2 minus 1 is 1. So here we will write 1. Position is positive only. Next we will go for this 2. So 2, that means it will be minus 1 and minus 1. So it will be minus 2. So minus 2 and position is minus. It will be 2. So now we will write 2 here. Next is this. So that means it will be 1 and minus 1. It will be 0. So here we will get 0. Next is this position. That is 3. So 3, that means it will be 1 and plus 1 is 2. And position is negative. So minus 2. Next is this position. That means it will be 3 and minus 1 is 2. And position is plus. It will be 2 only. Next comes your this position. So that means it will be minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5. And position is minus. So it will be plus 5. And last is this position plus position. That means it will be 1 plus 2 is 3. So here comes 3. So this is nothing but your A inverse. Next we have to write here B. So B is 4, 0, 2. Now multiply it. If you multiply it, what we will get? This will be your x, y, z. This will be 1 by 10. Now multiply. 4 into 4 is 16 plus 2 into 0 is 0. 2 into 2 is 4. Go for the second one. Minus 5 into 4 is minus 20. 0 into 0 is 0. 5 into 2 is 10. Plus 10. Next is 1 into 4 is 4. This is 0 and this is 6. So now if you solve this, what we will get? We will get here x, y and z, that is equal to 1 by 10. And here comes 20. This will be minus 10 and this will be 10. If you solve this, so x is equal to, we can say 20 by 10. That is equal to 2. Next is y. So y is equal to minus 10 by 10. That is equal to minus 1. Z. Z is equal to 10 by 10. That is equal to 1. So now we have to find out this value only.